Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can transfer crypto from Binance.com to Binance US. First of all, what you have to do is you need to go on Binance.us and then on the top right corner, you need to go on here dashboard and here press this little arrow here and look for the cryptocurrency that you want to get from Binance.com to Binance US. So let's say I want to get for example BNB, right? And then go on three little dot here and press deposit and you need to verify your identity. Unfortunately, I cannot verify my identity because I am not in the USA to complete the next step, but I will show you with Binance.com. It will be similar. Once you identify your identity, you will see similar window like this. So if I go fiat and spot on Binance.com, as you can see here, if I go on BNB and if I want to deposit, so you need to select the network here, select this one, and you will get the address that you need to copy to Binance.com. And then you need to on Binance.com, you need to go on wallet and fiat and spot, find the cryptocurrency that you want to transfer from Binance.com to Binance.us. So for me it will be BNB, and on Binance.com press withdraw and here enter the address and put amount you want to transfer and withdraw. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.